In the day's Doric virtual religious service reading, we'll be opening with a composition of praise, musical composition 1, followed by Paul's second letter to the group of called ones in Corinth. Musical composition 1. Blist is the chiel. Blist is the chiel fu winna young in a council o impiasains. On nae steed in a y, a wrongdeers. On nae sot doon upo a chair o the ill tricketains. Bit is mine, is in o a law o a meester. On in his law he will meditate day and night. And he will be as a tree being planted by outlets o a waters. Fit gies his fruit in his season. On his leaf will nae drop doon. On all, as muckle as he should die, will greatly prosper. Nae likely, we the impiasains, nae likely. Bit are as a stew or chaff, fit the wind casts awa, fit the dish o the earth. On account of this, the impiasains will nae rise up in judgment, nor wrongdoers in the council o G-stains. For a maester kens the way o G-stains, but the way o impiasains will perish. And now we'll read Paul's second letter to the group in Corinth. A second scriven of Paul to Corinthians, chapter 1. For Paul, dispatched envoy of Jesus Nitatin, by will Almighty and our friend Timothy, to Almighty's folk at Corinth, and to all a talk we Almighty in the hail o Achaia. Mercy and peace be with ye, fe Almighty our Father, and fe Master Jesus Nitatin. Praise be to Almighty a Father, our Master, Jesus Nitatin, a Father o all mercies, and fas ease never fails. He talks tent o is, in all our troubles, say we can ease other folk, for myth being troubles, we a comfort, we ourselves get fe a Master, we're Almighty. Just as a Nitatin's sufferings rin through is, say tea, where comfort comes fe a Nitatin. Gin we be sair come at, it's for your help and salvation. Gin we're help it, sign your help it tea, and gain a strength to pit up we a same troubles as is. Say our hope for youings is firm, 'cause we ken at gin ye share in our sufferings, ye'll share in our comfort. We maun tell ye about fit happened till is in Asia. We were at sair come at, and we thought we was deen for all together. It felt just like we'd been gien a death sentence. But this come about say we wouldna rely on ourselves, but on Almighty for reasons a deed. For sick off a deadly peril, he brought his out, and he will fess his out. And we've putten our faith in him, and he will fess us out again. Just as he help his, we your prayers. Sign we say mony folk praying for our safe keeping. There'll be mony folk thanking Almighty for a favors he's shown till is. Nu there's a thing we're proud o', where conscience assures is, on inward dealings wi' other folk, but the bein' all, we're dealings wi' youings. Fit we've deen, has been wi' a pureness and sincerity, comes fae Almighty, be a mercy Almighty, on nae be worldly lair. There's naething in our letters, till ya, bit fit ye can read and understand. But gin ye understand bit a bitty, oh is anew. I hope ye'll come to understand all. Say at in the day o' a maester, ye'll be as proud o' is, as we are o' youings. I was sae sure o' all is, at I thought I would come till youings. First of all, say at ye mith hae twice times a benefit. I was young to cry in by ye, on my way to Macedonia, and after I'd been there, cry in, by on my way back, say at ye mith gie me a hand, for my travels to Judea. Well, that was my intention. Did I change my mind lichtly? Or, when I'm planning things out, div I do it in a worldly kind of way, saying, aye, aye, and nah, at the same time? But as Almighty's my word, my promise till ye wisna an aye or a nah, 'cause Jesus nitatin, a son or image o' Almighty, and we've been preaching till ye aboot, be Silvanus and Timothy and myself too, was never a mixture o' aye and nah. Wi' him, it's aye, aye. He's the aye to all Almighty's promises. That's a why through Jesus nitatin, where, say be it, is till a stem Almighty. Nu it's Almighty, for set is, atin we nitatin. It's Almighty at set is apart, on his pitten his mark, on his ain on his gien is a pure spirit, in our hearts, as a promise of it's to come. Lot Almighty hear fit I'm about to say. He kens fit's in my heart. It was to spare ya, at I decided nae to come to Corinth. We're telling ye that why ye maun hold your faith. We ken ye stand firm in the faith. But we're working wi' ye for your ain guid. Chapter 12. Say I've made up my mind, at I'm nae gone to come till ye again, to make ye sorrowful. 'Cause gin I make ye dowie, fall cheer me up, except youings, at I've made sorrowful. This is just fit I said in my letter till ye. I didna wint to come and be made sorrowful, be a very folk at should be making me happy. 'Cause I ken weel enough, at gin I'm happy, ye're all happy too. That letter I sent ye come fae a sair heart, and wi' mony tears. But I wasna trying to mock ye dowie, but to lat ye ken fu I loo ye. Gin ony chiel has caused grief, he hasna grieved ma sae muckle as he's grieved ye all, at least in part. Nae to pit our fine a pint on it. A licking at ye got fae youings was enough. Nu, we should forgie him and nae be sae sair on him, and he'll gie up altogether. Say I would prig wi' ye, lat him ken fu ye loo him, I wrote ya a letter, 'cause I went to ken fu ya had steed a test, on gin you were dean fit to tell ya. Gin ye, forgie your body for doing anything wrong, I forgie them tee. 'Cause fin I forgie, gin I need avant to forgie anything, I forgie it afore anything, 'cause of youins. A deal canna be allude to get a better is. We ken his wily wise, all our wheel. Say fanna come to Troas to preach a word. I found a maester had opened a doory for a work there. But I was guy sair made, 'cause I couldna find where Brither Titus. Say I said, cheerio till I folk there, and held on to Macedonia. But thank Almighty, for I leads his in a triumph I neetateen, and through is spreads about the learning o' him in ilka place. 'Cause we're like a botley o' sint, offered be neetateen te Almighty, baith for them at our Sabbath, and for them at our tent. For the yin, we're a canigamat kills, and for a tither, a bonny scent at gee's life. Thaw sign is up till a job. 'Cause we're nae like say mony ither folk at handle Almighty's word, like a fairlies or a chep John. Because Almighty his sent is, we spec fair we're hearts afore him, as servants o' neetateen. Chapter 3. Div we hae to start all over again to tell ye fitting the kind of folk we are? Or div we, like a few other folk, send ye letters o' introduction and get sick like letters back for ye? Deal a bit of it. You yourselves are a letter, scriven in our heart, for all to ken and lippen till. It's plain to see, at e'er a letter scriven be neetateen, and ministered be is. Nae scriven in ink, but we a spirit o' a living Almighty. Nae in tablets or steen, but in fleshy tablets o' a heart. We say is in a full reliance o' Almighty through a neetateen. Nae at we ourselves can claim anything for ourselves. All thing we do comes fae Almighty. It's him as made us fit to proclaim his New Testament, nae in laws, but in the Spirit. 'Cause the laws condemn to death, but the Spirit gives life for aye. A law was hacked out in letters, or steen and gied out death, and Almighty's stem was in it. And though a splendor o' it was seen to fade awa, it was sae bricked upon the face of Moses, at the folk of Israel couldna look on it. Sae maun a grand statute o' a spirit nae be all a brichter? Gin sic a grand statute come we at fit condemns is, fu muckle mair o' a grand statute maun there be we at fit saves is. Fit was eens sae estimat, is new nae estimat ava. Fit we have new is sae muckle brichter nor it. On gin aught fit fades awa is estimat, fu muckle brichter is aught fit less. We hope like yes, we spec out full cruce. We are nae like Moses, for hid te pit a cloot o'er his heed, say a folk for Israel couldna see his brightness fadin'. But their minds were shut, and they even knew they have a cloot o'er their heads, when they read a word o' a scripture. But a neetateen talks awa a cloot. Ilka time a word o' Moses is read, till this very day a cloot lies o'er a minds of them for hear. But as a scripture says about Moses, whenever he turns till a meester, a cloot's teen awa. Nu a meester, at this written speaks about, is the Spirit. And for a spirit o' a meester is, there's liberty. And cause we hinna got the cloot o'er our head, we all sheen out like a glass, we a stem o' a meester. Turning is, until his likeness, we all a mair a stem. Chapter 4. We've been gien his work today, through Almighty's mercy. Say we mun stick in till it. We've casten awa all shameful things. We dinna try to get the better o' other folk, and we dinna miscall a word Almighty. But we pit ourselves about betelling a true word Almighty. Say a Aul Mither Tongue we is, in a sick Almighty. Cause gin a guid sin we preach be putting out the sick, it will be out the sick to them at's gone all to croconation. They dinna believe, cause therein are blind, be course michty ains o' his warl. At shut out the licht at sheens in them, for a stimmet guid send o' a neetateen. We dinna scry ourselves, but that Jesus a neetateen is meester, and ourselves as your servants, for a sake o' Jesus. Ye see, Almighty forbade the licht sheen out to mark. Is that very Almighty forbade the licht sheen in our hearts. To gie is a licht Almighty's a stem, sheenen in our hearts. But we have is grand treasure in boys o' clay, to shew at this muckle poor comes fae Almighty, and nae fae his. Och, we are sair forfauken, but nae trumpet doon altogether. We are hobbled, but nae all at sair made. We have mony faes, but nae we out the freen, cassin doon. But nae connacht altogether. We aye carry about we is a death o' a meester Jesus a neetateen. Say at the life o' a meester Jesus must shew itself in our bodies. Say death works in us, but life works in youings. As Scripture says, I believed, say I spoke out. Say in the same spirit of faith, we speak out because we believe. We cannot him for raised up a Master Jesus. Will raise us up tea. We Jesus on talk is, along we youings, till himself. All this is for your sake. And as mair and mair folk talk we a mercy Almighty, and mair will be a praise at they raise up to Almighty. This is fit why we never tint heart. Though we're outward being dwines awa, we're in mysel gets a retour ilka day. We're wee bit tribbles are working for is a gran everlasting estem. Say we're in are set nae unfit we can see, but on fit we canna see, 'cause fit we see is here a day, on a wa a morn, but the things we canna see are here forever. Chapter 5. Nu, we cannot gin this worldly house we bide in all, were to be dung doon. We have a beggin, at almighty his geen is, a housey nae made by human hands, but for I on in heaven. On say we saw, mangin to be clad we are housey for heaven, kennen at gin we are, we winna be found naked. 'Cause when we're clad in this worldly frame, we div so, wecked it doon as we are, nae 'cause we went to be rid o' this worldly body, but 'cause we're longing for our new body putting on us. Say aught fits mortal myth be swallowed up wi' life. Almighty his rocked is, till his vera een, on his geen is a spirit to shew fits to come. Say we're aye cruise. We ken at when we're at hame in our body, we're a wa ve a meester, 'cause we walk be faith, nae be sicht. We're cruise, I tell ya, but we'd rather be a wa ve a body, on at hame we a meester. That's why we chove to please him, whether it be at hame, in a body, or a wa fit. 'Cause we maun all appear afore a neatiteen's judgment seat. For ilka een will get his serin, for fit he did, von in the body, guid or ill. Kennen sign, a fear o' a meester, we die were e-meest, to persuade either folk. Almighty kan see richt through is, on a wid. Almighty kan see richt through is, on a wid hope, it's plain in your ain hearts. We're nae making an attempt to recommend ourselves to ya, but rather gin you a chance to shew at your prude is. Sign, you'll hae something to say till them that are mair prude o' fit they look like, nor fits in their heart. We myth hae gain feel all together, but that's for Almighty. Gin we're in we're richt mine, it's for you eens. 'Cause a neatiteen's love gives is nae choice. Gin we had aught, a chiel deed for all, sign all our deed. A why he deed for all, was say at folk, von living, would live, nae for themselves, but should live for them that deed for all, and was raised to life. Say for new on, we dinna look at folk fae a point of view o' a world, though we eens look at the neatiteen like at, we dinna dee at ony longer. Say gin ye be in a neatiteen, ye've a new. Say gin ye be in a neatiteen, ye're a new creation. All things are all awa, and a new eens are here. All this comes fae Almighty, was brocht is till himself through a neatiteen, on his geen is a job of fessin a lave tea. Fit this means is, Almighty through a neatiteen, was making a hale world his friend, and nae holding folks ill deeds agin them. On his geen is a job o' telling all folk at he's their friend. Say here we are, sign, Speaking for a nitatin, as gin Almighty was mocking his appeal through is. We'd prig we ya, for a nitatin's sake, befriends we Almighty, a nitatin hid nae ill wise in him, but Almighty made him were ill wise, say out we him, we might be made in we our guidness of Almighty himself. Chapter 6. As we work together sign, we Almighty, we would prig we ye nae to hold a mercy Almighty, to be a nae of all. Almighty says till is, for a time come for ma to shew ye father, I'll lippen till ye, and for a day come for ma to save ye, I'll help it ye. Is vera ur, is a time for Almighty to shew ye father. Is vera day, is a day you'll be solve it. We dinna went yet to find fault we were work. Say we'll nae pit Nathan in your way. In all thing we do, we try to shew we're Almighty's servants, behaying patience in all troubles. For we are sae made unvexed. We might begin a guid licking, gilt, mobbit, work it to been, get nae sleep, and suffer starvation. But we hold our heads heek, cause of our guid living. Fit we can, we're sufferings, and we're patience. As Almighty's servants, be pure spirit, be our love, be our speaking a truth, be poor Almighty. We have the weapons of righteousness at our left hand and at our right hand, honor and dishonor, being cursed at and being raised out, speaking the truth but being called liars. Nobody kens this, yet allbody kens this. And though we're dead, we are all, yet we are aye living. We are licked, but nae killed. In our sorrow, we are aye happy, or sealful. We've nae siller ourselves, but we fess wealth to other folk. We have naething, but we ain all. Ye folk of Corinth, we've been straight wi' ye, and we've opened our hearts till ye. It is, at shut our hearts to youins, and youins at'll shut your hearts to is. Say play fair, and thou speak till ye like a father till his bairnies. Open your hearts wide till is. Dinna hae ony truck with them for disna believe. Fit is guid to dee wi' coarseness. Fu canna licht on the mark by together. And fu canna nitatin gree wi' a deal. Fu canna believer haud a hand. O him for disna believe. Fu can Almighty's borok accordings hae ony truck wi' idols. We're a borok accordings, o a living Almighty, and Almighty himself says, I'll bide wi' my folk, gang about wi' them. I'll be their Almighty, and they'll be my folk. And say a meester says, come awa fae out amo them. Hold yourselves awa for them at dinna handle fool stuff. And I'll talk ye in, and I'll be a father till ye, and you'll be my sons and daughters, says the Master Almighty. Chapter 7. All this is been promised till is, my friends. Say let us wash ourselves of all thin, ot mocks is feel, in a flesh, or a spirit mocking is pure, wreathed on crop, in a fear almighty. Talk is into your hearts, you've done nae wrong to naebody. Connacht naebody, nor gotten no better o' naebody. Nae saying is to find fault wi' ye, 'cause I've telt ye afore, ye have a place in our hearts, on where I agither, be we living or deed. I'll tell ye straight, I'm rail prood o' ye. Through all our troubles, Macoggie is full o' heartening and rins our wee joy. When we come to Macedonia, we hadna a minute's peace. There was troubles all round about us, fechting and carrying on, and sair hearts we had. But Almighty professes comfort to them at casting down, raised were spirits, befessing Titus till is. It wasna his coming at cheered us up, but his say awa about fu ewings heartened him. He tellth us fu muckle your mangin to seema, fu sorrowful ye are, and fu your etland to talk ma part, and not mad ma a mair sealful. 'Cause though you are fair teen abach, befit I said in my letter till ya, I'm neen away for it. I myth hae been when I saw a letter had made ye duel for a wee filey. But new I'm cheery, nae 'cause I made ye duel, because your sorrow gied ye a change o' heart. Ye took a scalp as Almighty would hae ye tak it. Say we're all a better off 'cause of it we did. 'Cause a sair at's told in Almighty's way, fesses a change o' heart, at leads to salvation. But the sair at's told in a way o' a warrel, fesses death. Ye told your sair in Almighty's way, and see fit has been a upcome. It mad ye take a good look at yourselves, willing to clear your name. You are guy sair raced, guy feart. Fu you were mangin sign to seema, on your zeal to seema Rick Dean. You've preed yourselves to be without fault in the matter. So though I did send ye a letter, it wasna for a chill I did a misfitting, nor a chill I was misfitted. Deal a bit o' it. I wrote it, say it myth be plain till ya, in a sick to Almighty. Fu muckle ye care about is. At's fit why ye've been sair hearted. I wrote it, say it myth be plain till ya, in a sick to Almighty. Fu muckle ye care about is. At's fit why we've been sae heartened. But aside for being heartened ourselves, we were rail teen on be fu happy Titus whiz, be why ye cheered him up. I did rease ye out to him, and ye hinna lot me doon. All thin was said till ye was true, and just the same, why we reased ye out to Titus, is proved to be true. His heart gangs out to ye all a mair, when he thinks on fu willing ye were to dee 50 sock to ye. Fu ye took him in, guy feart ye were, and shocking. Fu glad at I've nae fears about ye new. Chapter 8. We maun tell ye, my friends, of it Almighty's mercy his deen, in a borough accordings of Macedonia. At troubles they facing his tormented them sair. Still and on, They've been sae cheery wi' themselves, they've been fair forthcomin' wi' their siller, even though they're guy pure craters. I can tell ya, they've gien all they could. I and mair, priggin' we is, to talk fit they gied is, and siccan, to talk apart in dean guid for all Michty's folk. And they did mair nor we could hae hoped for. Gien themselves first to a measter, and throw a will almichty to his tea. The upcome is we've socked Titus, him at started this work, to come and see ya and finish this special work o' love. Ye went for Nathan, in faith, in word, in fit ye ken, and in your willingness to help on your love for his. See at Ewain's tea, gie sae muckle in his love. Nae garn ye dee it, but tellin' ye fu ither folk are mongin' to help, and tryin' to see fu willin' you'll be. 'Cause ye ken fu muckle were Maester Jesus Anitatine did for his. Though he was wealthy, he made himself pure for your sake. Say out through him being pure, ye must become wealthy. Is as fit I think it is best for ye to dee. Last year, nae only were ye at first to agree, but were at first outwinted to dee it. Finish fit you've started, say being as keen to get till a hinereen as ye were to talk it up, and gie fit ye can afford. Gin a willingness be there, Almighty accepts fit to chill his, nae according to fit he hisna gotten. Nae siccan to lichten ither folk, be pittin' a burthen on your shoulders. But it's all a case o' eeksy-peeksy. Enu, fit you've got to han, will sair their wind. But some day your wind will be saired befit they hive spare. Is why allbody is a marrow o' een anither. As the scripture says, a chill at hid muckle, hid nae mair nor enoch. On the chill at hid short miser, hid all at was naught. We thank Almighty at he's made Titus as keen as we are to help ye. Nae only did he talk in hand, fit we sock to him, but he was sae keen at he's teen on himself to come till ye. And I'm sending a chill wi' him at's most awful weel thought o' for his preaching among all were Doric accordings. And Fitzmair, he's been appointed to travel wi' us, as we carry out this work, honouring the Maester, and shewing fu willing we are to serve him. We went to do all we can to hurt anybody by saying we are nae handling its wonderful present, a richt gate. We went to do fits richt, nae just in a sicht o' a Maester, but in a sicht o' other folk too. And we're sending we them where brither we've tried out mony times, and I found him keen to help. And new cause o' a confidence I have in Ewain's. He's all a mair keen. Gin anybody speer aboot Titus, he's my partner and works wi' me to help ya. As for a lave, they stand for a Doric accordings, and are an honour to Anitatine. Say shew your love till them, and fu proud we are o' ye. Say a Doric accordings myth see it. Chapter 9. I dinna need to vreet till ya about the help at's been gien to almachtig's folk. I ken fu your etland to help, on the rees ye out to Macedonians, telling them at Achaia was ready a year sign. On many of them hae been stirred up by your willingness. I'm sending this, friends, till ya, say out the why I've been reason ye out with nae between words, but say ye mith be ready. Just as I've said, 'cause gin I fess a Macedonia chills wema, and they find at you're nae ready, I'd be sair affronted, and say would ye be too, after all my reason ye out. Say I thought I would gar his brothers gang afore me to Corinth, to see at fit ye promised to gie is ready afore I come, and it'll shew at ye've gien all your ain free will, and nae 'cause you were forcen. Mine, shav scanty, and ye'll reap scanty. Shav guid miser, and ye'll reap guid miser. Ilka chiel mon gie as he thinks fit, nae begrudgin, nor 'cause he is till. I'll make de lose a chiel at's cheerful fan he gies, and I'll make de can gie ye all ye would sick, say ye have all ye'd ever wint, and mair nor enough for ilka guid cause. As the scripture says, he's honnet out to all. He's gien to appear on his guid work less for I. Knew him that provides a seed to shove on a loaf to eat, will provide a seed for ye to shove. He'll mak it grow, and gie a grand harvest o' your guidness. He'll mak ye wealthy enough to I hae something to gie to other folk, and they'll gie thanks to Almighty, 'cause this work ye do is nae just for our ain folk, but mair nor aught, causes a muckle outpouring o' thanks to Almighty, and cause o' this proof o' your work, money will gie a stem to Almighty, when they see fu humble ye are till him, and fu ye bide by a word o' a guid send, and for your liberal parting out wi' them on either body. And they'll pray for ye, and their hearts will gang out till ye, for a mercy o' Almighty at's in o' ye. Thanks be to Almighty for his wonderful handsel. Chapter 10. Nu I myself, Paul, pregwe ye, be meekness and douceness o' iniquitin. Me at say shilpet van am wi ye, and say bald van am nae near han ye. I sick at ye dinna gar me be say bald van I come till ye, 'cause I'm seer I could put on as bald a face as ye like, wi them at say we act in worldly wise. Worldly we mith be, but we dinna fecht our battles in a worldly way. A weapons we use, in our fecht, are nae worldly weapons, but Almighty's powerful weapons, fit to cause doon a hold. We call doon lees, on ilka thing at sets itself up, heek counter a word Almighty. We gar ilka thought surrender till obeisance o' iniquitin. On eens ye've putten yourselves in our hands, we'll gie a lickin' to ilka een at disna dee fit these telt. You're looking at face value. Gin a chiel think himself ain't beck iniquitin, let him think again. We belong to iniquitin just as muckle as he does. Am nae neen affronted gin of being blown about the authority at the meester's gines. An authority to big you up, nay, call you down. I dinna want you to think at I'm trying to flag you, we must striving. Some are saying his letters are weighty and powerful, but when he comes a moys, he's guy white, and fit he says is real healing. Sick folk should reckon we is. There's nae difference atween fit we say in our letters and fit we dee when we come amo ye. We are nae gone to haud ourselves out to be like them at think sae muckle of themselves. They're nathan but fools to haud themselves up till their ain standards. As for ourselves, we winna blaw our muckle. But just till a bone on Mictis sit doon for is. A bone at youngs as far as Ewing's. 'Cause we winna rocks ayont were streech. And we're nae deeing not when we come to ye. Fessin ye a guid send about the neetateen. We dinna blaw about fit ither folk have deen ayont a bones on Mictis set for is. Rather, we are hoping that as your faith grows, we may be able to do all a mair work amo ye. But yet we in a boons almighty his set. Sign, we can carry a guid send till a countries, a hein, for ye are. And winna hae to blaw about work deen in another chill's lawn. Gin a chill mon blaw, lot him blaw o a meester. It's a chill at the meester thinks weel o, at's approved, nae a chill at thinks weel o himsel. Chapter 11. Wid tell almighty, ye could bit thole ma in ma feelness. I bit thole ma. I'm jealous for ye. We almighty like jealousy. I've gien your hand in marriage till the a chill. Te neetateen. Say at I must gie ye till him as a chaste virgin. But just as a wily serpent got the better o' Eve, some feart your heeds will be fault wi' coarseness, and ye'll tine your devotion to neetateen. 'Cause gin a chill comes and proclaims another Jesus, nae the een we've proclaimed, or gin ye talk wi' a spirit, either nor a een, already gien till ye, or a guid send either nor a een I've already accepted, ye mith as weel haud awa wi' him. I dinna think I'm nie na war, nor them special dispatched envoys. I'm maybe nae a best at speaking, but I ken fit it's all about. And we've I telt ye nathan but the hail troth. Did I deed wrong when I preach it that guid send till ye, and didna charge ye for it? Humlin mysel afore ye, say I must raise you up? I rob it to ither borok accordings, talking wages for them, say I must serve you? And when I was amo ye, unwinted for all, I socked nathan for ye. Getting all at I not, they were brothers for Macedonia. I saw till it, at I would never be a burthen till ye. And at'll I be a why o' it. As surely as a troth or a neetateen is inoma, naebody will haud ma for blawing about a neetateen in the hail o' Achaia. But why nae? Is it 'cause I dinna loo ye? Guid kens I div. and I'll keep on deeing fit I'm deeing anew, to hold out either dispatched envoys, for blowing out they do a same work as we div. Sick chills are nae dispatched envoys of all, false, lean, trying to mock themselves out to be the dispatched envoys o' a Nitateen. Well, nae winner, even a deal can rig himself out to look like a send elect. It's nae great shock sign for his servants to rig themselves out to look like good living chills. But they'll a hinereen, they'll get fits comin' till them. I'll tell you again, dinna talk me for a feel, but gin ye maun, accept me as I feel. Say I'll hae little to blaw about, fit I'm sayin', I'm nae sayin' as a Christian, fin I blaw like this, I'm speakin' like I feel. But seein' sae mony folk blaw in a worldly way, I'll dee it tee. Ye suffer feels gladly, seein' you yourselves are sae clever. Gin a chill tyrannies ye, talks a better ye, talks a hold of ye, raises himself out afore ye, or gies ye a scalp on a lug. Ye pit up wi' it. I'm affronted to say, we were some wike for aught. But gin ye're to be bald, I'm speaking like I feel, I'll be bald tee. Are they Hebrews? Say am I. Are they Israelites? Say am I. Are they Abram's seed? Are they Abraham's bairns? Say am I. Are they servants o' a Nitateen? I'm speaking like I feel, but I can better them. Harder workin', flog it mair nor them, in a jail oftener. Mony's a time faced death himself. 5 times a yows gied me een short of 40 lashes. 3 times I was huttin' wi' sticks. Eens I was steened. 3 times I was shipwrecked. And for a hale day I was in a water. I've travelled often, and been in a hands of floods, in a hands of robbers, in a hands of my ain folk, in a hands of foreigners, in dangers i' the tunes, in danger in the countryside, in danger at sea, and in danger fae false friends. I've toiled and truckled, I've winted for sleep, I've been hungered and drouthy, often hid to dee without mate, and suffered starvation, and been yiked. Apart fae sick outward things, I've had to think about looking after a Doric callings ilka day. Gin ony chill is wike, div I nae share his wikeness? Gin ony chill stumble, am I nae sair come out? Gin I'm on blaw, I'll blaw o' things out rees out my wikeness. Aul Mither is father of our Meester Jesus en Nitateen. Blessed be his name for aye. Kens I'm nae tellin' lies. In Damascus, King Aretas man kept a hale tune on a lookout for me, say they myth arrest me. I was let down in a creelly through a windy i' the wall, and say escaped his clutches. Chapter 12. A maun blaw, though it winna dee ony guid, but I'll tell ye o' a vision, on a revelations o' a meester. I ken a Doric calling chiel, at the wa a been 14 year syne. Fither he was in a body, or out o' it, I dinna ken, but I'll make it kens. Was teen up till a third heaven, I can find at this chill, whether he was in a body or out of it, I dinna ken, only I'll make the kens. Was teen up to paradise, and heard things at nobody can repeat. I'll blaw about this chill, but I winna blaw about mysel, 'cept about my weaknesses, 'cause though I would like to blaw, I wouldna be sick of feel, 'cause I'd be telling the truth, but I'll hold back, 'cause I wouldna like ony man to think mair o' me, nor fit he thinks about me when he sees me, and hears fit I have to say. And say, to hold me on for being ower full of mysel, 'cause of wonderful things I saw, I was gien a stoonin' gripe for a deals man, I'd come to gie me a burst, aye, to hold me for being ower proud of mysel. 3 times I prigged wi' a measter to rid me o' it, but he says, my mercy is all you want. Poor comes till its full strength in weakness. Say I'll rather find my joy in my pride in all things that are my weaknesses. Say a poor o' nicotine myth be on me. I'm most happy or sealful, signed to be proud of my weaknesses, in insults, in darg, in persecution, in a fikey snarls, all for a sake o' nicotine. 'Cause when I'm weak, sign I'm stout. I'm acting like I feel, but Eve gart me deet. Ye're a eens I should hae approved o' me. Even gin I'm a naebody, I'm neither war nor your special dispatched envoys. As signs o' a richt dispatched envoys, were a moya when I worked wi' patience, and gied ye signs, miracles, and fairlies. Ye warna treated ony war nor a tither boric accordings, except for a fact I didna speer at Ewings for ony siller. Oh, at wasna fair, will ye forgie me? Noo, this is a 3rd time I'm ready to come till ye, and I wasna wint onything for ye, 'cause I'm nae sickin' fits yours, but I'm sickin' you, 'cause bairns shouldna lay up for their mithers and fathers, but rather mithers and fathers lay by for a bairns, and I'll be glad to spend all I've got for ye, aye, and spend mysel tee. Will ye loo me a less, 'cause I loo ye sae muckle? Say I wasna a burden till ye, but some myth say I was crafty and snug at ye wi' lees. Foo! Wi' a chiels I sent till ye? I gart Titus gang, and I sent a other brither wi' him. Did Titus defraud ye? Did we nae baith walk i' the same spirit? Did we nae baith walk in the same road? Maybe you think at all along we've been trying to hold off for ourselves agin ye. Respect for Almighty in the nicotine. Fit we're trying to do, my friends, is for your ain benefit. I'm some feared at when I come I winna find ye a why I want ye to be, and I mitna be fit you're seeking me to be. I'm some feared I will find argy-bargying, jealousies, het tempers, striving, backbiting, gossip, arrogance, and fechting. I'm feared that when I come again, my Almighty will belittle me afore ye, and I'll greet o'er them at's deen ill in a past, and hinna have a change in thoughts and feelings, o' their coarseness and their whoring. Chapter 13. This is the 3rd time I'm coming till ye. Any accusing maun be proved by a word of 2 or 3 witnesses. I'll tell you afore, and I'll tell you again, for a second time, as though I were among you. But I gie it till you in my absence, to all them as deen ill. When I come this time, there'll be nae quarter. Sign you'll hae a brief, you're sickin', or a neetateen spicken inoma. A neetateen, at when he deals wi' you eens, isna wike, but mocks his poor filth ino ye. Aye, he deet on a stake in wikeness, but he lives be poor almighty. And we're wike like him tee, but through a poor almighty, we'll live wi' him to serve you eens. Take a look at yourselves. Are you living a life in a faith? Put yourselves till a test. Surely you can see at Jesus neetatin is among you, unless you're nathan but cards. I hope you'll see we're nae cards. Nu I pray till Almighty at ye dee nae ill. Nae to shew at we've steed a test, but say at ye mit dee fits richt, even though we mit seem to be nae up till it. We've nae poor to auk again, a troth, only for it. We are weel content at ony time to be wike, gin ye mit be stout, and we pray at ye mit be perfect. I'm writing this till ye afore I come, for fear at I'm ill hung wi' ye when I see ye. According to a poor at the meester, gied me for raising ye up, rather nor dinging ye doon. And nu, my friends, cheerio. Mend your wise. Take care of yourselves. Dinna argy-bargy. Gree wi' een anither. And the meester o' love and peace will be wi' ye. Greet een anither wi' a pure kiss. All Michty's folk send their greetings. A mercy o' a meester Jesus neetatin, on love almighty, on a fellowship o' a pure spirit, be wi' ye all. Say be it. And that concludes Paul's second letter to the Doric or group of called ones in Corinth. Until next time, be heartened, be sealful, and endure till the end.